Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these mini Snickers bars. So let's get started. To make these easy little Snickers bars, I'm going to use some dates. That's what I have here. And I'm going to open up a date, put some peanut butter inside, and a couple of peanuts. And then just close that up as much as you can, like that. And I have melted some chocolate chips, and you can do that either in the microwave or you can place your bowl over hot water. So I'm going to take one of my dates and I'm going to submerge it. Let it drip a little bit, and then transfer it over to these knives. Like that. Okay, I have dipped all of my dates and I'm going to let that set up. And there you have some mini Snickers bars. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.